Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The RJRGleaner Communications Group is reporting improved financial performance for the quarter ended September 2025. This comes despite lower revenues when compared to the same period last year. According to the company's unaudited financial statements, the group recorded a pre-tax loss of $96 million and an after-tax loss of $79.5 million.
In short, while the headline numbers reflect a difficult market, our fundamentals are improving through disciplined management. This year's theme, Transformation in Action, accurately describes the group's journey.
The decline in revenue was mainly due to the cyclical nature of international sports broadcasts. Last year's figures benefited from coverage of the 2024 Olympic Games, but this year's World Championships generated lower returns. CEO Anthony Smith says long-term growth is the focus.
Short term, we're focused on stabilizing revenues, reducing structural costs and generating cash. We need to be cash positive. Midterm, medium term, we expect digital revenue growth will increasingly offset any declines that may happen. And long term, we're looking to build a balanced, multi-platform media and technology company with sustained profitability.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,820 points today, while the junior market index declined by 17 points. The winners were led by 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares, Productive Business Solutions 10.5 perpetual CR preference shares, Express Catering, G West Corporation, and Jamaican Teas. The losers include 138 Student Living Jamaica, Omni Industries, Radio Jamaica, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Fosterich. 22 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.91. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.74. The pound is going for $209.09, while the euro is selling for an average $188.66. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.
The Business Day on Mondays, brought